In this video, we will see how to insert symbols in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I want to insert some symbols. Just click on the insert tab. Click on the here you can see the last of previous symbols. Click on that. Click on the symbols. I want to symbol $sign symbol. Just select it and click on the insert. You can see here the first cell of Excel sheet inserted $sign. I want to change some other sign. You can see here the lot of symbols available on this dialog box. I want to use this one. Just click on insert it. Euro sign, click on insert it. That's it. Thank you.